It's time for business news with Richard Southern. And Richard, Canada's economic recovery is stalling, and a global problem is getting a lot of the blame.
Yeah, hey, Melissa, happy Friday. It is this supply chain issue we've talked a lot about. Shipping is a huge issue right now. The ports are snarled. Factories can't produce enough of certain goods, and it's all contributing to poor economic performance for Canada. We got Stats Canada today in talking about GDP for August, which grew only 0.4%. Our economy barely grew in August, the result of all of these supply chain issues we're talking about. And it capped off a third quarter that saw the economy grow just 0.5%. Experts weighing in on this today, Melissa, say it casts a little bit of doubt about whether the Bank of Canada is going to be able to hike interest rates next year. We are expecting several rate hikes next year, perhaps, as the bank deals with rising inflation. But if the economy is not growing, that could throw a wrench into the works. Canada isn't alone, though. U.S. economic growth in the third quarter slowed to the softest pace during the pandemic recovery. Also the results of the gummed-up supply chain, Melissa.
Okay, and supply chain issues are also taking a bite out of Apple's bottom line.
Yeah, it sure is. Apple reported earnings last night. Top and bottom line earnings miss. We haven't seen that since 2016 for Apple. They still reported some, big overall results. There was growth year over year for many of its product categories, but the revenue, the profit, not quite what analysts were looking for. Apple CEO Tim Cook blaming, yes, the supply chain issues, which he said knocked $6 billion off of the company's bottom line in the quarter. And Apple stock fell, giving Microsoft the title now as the largest publicly traded company on the markets. Meantime, there's an Apple back product, new Apple product on back order, and you might not expect this. This is the most popular Apple product right now. It's a cloth. Apple recently announced the sale, Melissa, of a $19 cloth to clean its products, and people are so crazy for this that it's on back order and not expected to be delivered until early February. That's what I'm going to get you, I think, for Christmas, Melissa, a $19 Apple cloth.
It's a hot ticket item. I'll take it. Sure. Now, what happens when you mix Squid Game and cryptocurrency? Well, things get a little weird, Richard.
Things are already a little weird in the cryptocurrency market, and then you add Squid Game to the mix. Yes, there is a Squid Game crypto token out there right now, and of course, why not? It surged 40,000% in just the past few days of trading. Ticker SQUID, just about $5 US, but CoinMarketCap, one of the companies that trades it, warning buyer beware. They say that some people are not able to sell it once they buy it, so do be careful with that one. As far as more established investments are concerned, Melissa, we should mention the TSX closed out a big month of October, gaining 5%. The Dow up more than 5% in October. The S&P up 6.9%. October, very good for stocks. So that's your good news going into the weekend.
Awesome. Thank you very much, Richard. And that's Richard Southern joining us now.